Childhood obesity is one of the most serious health challenges of the 21st century. According to estimates from the World Health Organization, 1 in 3 children in the European Union aged between 6 and 9 years were overweight or obese in 2010, compared to 1 in 4 in 2008, and 22% of 11-year-olds in 2014. In some member states, the rate of obese or overweight children is close to 40%. It is being estimated that by 2025, the number of under 5s worldwide who are overweight will have risen from an estimated 41 million now to 70 million. Obesity is incurring a large burden. 7% of national health budgets across the European Union are spent on diseases linked to obesity each year. Childhood obesity can give rise to a variety of health problems including asthma, low self-esteem, and depression in children, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, musculoskeletal disorders, some cancers, and disability in adults. In 2014, member states joined together and developed the EU Action Plan on Childhood Obesity 2014 to 2020, which is based on 8 key areas of action, mainly support a healthy start in life, promote healthier environments, especially in schools and preschools, make healthy option the easier option, restrict marketing and advertising to children, inform and empower families, encourage physical activity, monitor and evaluate, and increase research. However, we are still seeing a high prevalence of obesity in many countries. More needs to be done. There needs to be a concerted action across all member states. Policies need to be put into action. Let's do this together. Let us fast-track actions in areas where we can have more impact so we can see a better world filled with healthier and happier children everywhere. Let all member states come together. Together, we can achieve this for a better future.